In South Korea, number of guests at a wedding is so important that fake guest agencies exist. Life as a General Motors engineer before AutoCAD was invented. In China, some parking slots have spaces reserved for female parking. These spaces are wider and makes parking easier and reduce accidents. Eight of the 10 largest statues in the world are of Buddhas. After firefighters saved piglets from a bonfire, 6 months later, the farmer sent them sausages made from the piglets as a thank you gift. Marie Curie's notebooks and all her belongings are still radioactive and will remain so for another 1500 years. Not getting enough sleep makes you more likely to lie, cheat, and steal. People who regularly point out grammar mistakes often have less agreeable personalities. Male lizards sometimes hang themselves upside down for females to sleep warmly and comfortably. I made a wish that my daughter's unknown killer would be marked with her name on their body so they would never forget what they did. In other news, my wife came home today showing me her brand new tattoo she got in honor of our daughter's memory. The picture shows why our society is full of terrible, biased, and judgmental people. When the base would be this, the output too would be terrible. The Japanese developed an electric car in 1949 that could travel 200 km on a single charge. In 2004, a man named Ashley Revell sold all his possessions and put his entire net worth of $135,300 on it at the Plaza Hotel in Vegas. The ball landed on Dead 7 and he walked out with $270,600. A restaurant called Order Mistakes was opened in Tokyo, which hired people with dementia as waiters and told customers they might get the wrong orders. Customers seem to enjoy it as they don't know what they are going to eat. The little plastic thing at the end of data cables is called a ferrite bead and is used to block interference from radio signals from other electronics devices. An Australian man typed every numbers from 1 to 10 lakh in words, not numbers, on his typewriter. It took him 16 years. The Japanese passenger who survived the Titanic crash was marked as a coward by his country for not dying with the other passengers. In your stupid arrogance, you have done nothing but murder innocent women, as the terrified villagers felt the fire consuming what happens when you try to burn a real witch. In other countries, the mafia makes witnesses disappear so they can't testify in court. In Colombia, Pablo Escobar made the whole Supreme Court of Colombia disappear. When Amitabh Bachchan says, "This is your next question" on the computer screen, then along with contestant, Amitabh Bachchan does not even know the answer to the question until the contestant locks the question. My wife hung herself as she could never forgive herself after the drink driving accident that killed both of our children. Thankfully, she never remembered that I had been driving that night and had switched sheets with her while she was unconscious. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.